Ever feel like your Jeep Gladiator's factory doors are holding you back from the full off-road experience? Tube doors are the fix. They open things up, drop some serious weight, and let you see every inch of the trail while still keeping you protected. Whether you're rock crawling, cruising the dunes, or just chasing that open-air freedom, these doors deliver a whole new vibe. In this video, we're breaking down 5 of the best tube doors you can get right now. All the links are in the video description, so check those out when you're ready to upgrade your rig. ARIES tube doors keep things feather light with T6 aluminum alloy for strength that laughs at corrosion. They bolt to the stock hinges in minutes and include mounts for your original mirrors. Let's see them in action. Pause. Reviews rave about the snug, rattle-free fit and how the textured powder coat hides trail rash. In real-world wheeling, the low weight helps the suspension flex freely, and the angular cutouts give you a full view of spotting lines. If you want tough but trim doors that won't slow your Jeep, these hit the sweet spot. Rotor brings big personality with a laser-cut United States flag pattern and throws in zippered side bags for maps, snacks, or a phone. Built from 1/8-inch steel plate and 1 1/4-inch tubing, they feel rock solid, yet still remove quickly. Check the trail vibe. Pause. Owners dig the patriotic flair and the extra storage, noting that the textured black powder coat shrugs off mud. Adjustable hinge pins make alignment easy, though you do need factory hinge brackets. Perfect for anyone chasing open-air freedom and bonus cargo pockets. JROAD delivers no-nonsense trail armor at a budget-friendly price. They use the same 1/8-inch steel and 1 1/4-inch tubing combo as pricier sets, plus an open mesh look that screams off-road. Take a look and listen to the buzz. Pause. Feedback highlights how the latch plates adjust to stop door shake, while the black powder coat stands up to rain and grit. Practical application: maximum airflow on dusty crawler days and better sight lines for picking a line. If you want solid steel without a premium tag, JROAD does the job. Tyger Auto's kit focuses on slick fitment and daily driver manners. Carbon steel doors get a full electrocoat and heavy textured powder finish for rust defense, and welded-on hinges drop right onto the factory posts. Let's see what they look like on-road and off. Pause. Reviewers praise the smooth latch action and factory mirror compatibility, noting 0 squeaks after miles of washboard. On the trail, the broad lower bar doubles as an easy leg rest. Add Tyger's 5-year United States warranty, and you've got a worry-free adventure upgrade. Hooke Road Adventure tube doors are trail-ready bruisers made from 14-gauge steel plate and 1 1/4-inch tubing, weighing about 56 pounds for the full 4-door set. First sentence was long, so here's the pause. Check them out in action. Pause rubber pads kill rattles, nylon limit straps stop overswing, and beefy latches keep everything tight. Users love the confidence of thick steel when brushing against canyon walls, plus the quick swap design for weekend wheeling. With a 2-year warranty and lifetime support, they're a solid pick for serious rock bashers. That wraps up our rundown of the best tube doors for the Jeep Gladiator. Whether you crave feather-light aluminum, patriotic steel, or heavy-duty trail armor, you've got a door here that fits your style and budget. Remember, the product links live down in the description. Smash that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss fresh Jeep gear reviews. Catch you on the next trail.